Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Saturday morning real estate marketing show with Ruthie Rocks, Ruth Allbrand, and I am Marketing Max. Today is show number 752, and we have a returning guest here, actually just in time because I have a few questions about cybersecurity myself with the Ukraine-Russia situation that's happening right now and what they're talking about on the news. But we have Jack Lindberg from Safe Internet Pro here. He's been on the show before, and his specialty is helping agents make sure they are secure in their transactions and their interactions through online and in the real transaction in real life. So, but before we get to Jack, Ruth, what is happening in Las Vegas?
I'm going to put you in the lobby and I'm going to talk about the stats for February 19th, another day in paradise in beautiful Las Vegas. So we've got, 22 days of inventory, and I'll tell you why. Because we're selling 112 homes a day. And the more homes we sell, the less days of inventory we have. However, it looks like spring is springing on us because people are starting to list their homes. We listed 164 homes yesterday, which is fantastic. I think that's the largest number of daily just listed this year. I'll get it out there. And we put 108 under contract. We closed 134 for a total of 2,013 sales so far this year. And we are just 34 sales behind last year, which was a record year with 50,735 homes sold last year. If you add that to the new homes, it'll be 62,000 homes sold last year. So if you don't think there's any inventory, look again. 62,000 homes was a lot of inventory, and they all got sold. So there is inventory. It's just that we're selling them quickly. They come on the market, they go. It's not like we're dwindling down to no inventory. It just comes and goes quickly. So just keep that in mind if you're a seller. You know, the median price home just went up to $456,000 this week. So you have more equity in your home. And that is what I think is causing more and more single family home owners to list their homes because they see that they're getting top dollar for their home. So they want to go buy another home, and the interest rates are inching up there. Not much. I mean, historically, the interest rates are really still awesome. And one thing for sure, sell your home now, and the home you buy by the end of the year, it will have appreciated at the rate we're going. The supply and demand is going to continue to increase our prices. So we have been selling $1 million homes for about 4 a day. Last year we were doing 4.5 a day. So we're getting up there to on par with last year. And we have we've got how many? 181 that we've sold so far this year, and right under 400 available $1 million homes.